welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. Please remember to like and subscribe and to ring that bell below so you can get notifications on my latest uploads. And also my Instagram is V_Vogue. As you can see by the title of the video, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair once again. Right now, I've had this blonde for a few months now. And the problem is I have hair extensions that do not match. And one thing I do find is that the blonde has been hard to maintain. I have not had blonde hair in over a year, so this is kind of like, this is a lot of work. But I mean, it's not that bad, it's not that brassy, but I'd really like for my hair to be matching my hair extensions. If you saw my last video with my hair extensions, I was spraying this like root touch-up color to try to make it match the hair extensions, and I'm like, oh my god, every time you touch your hair it just gets all over your fingers, and I'd really like to be able to wear my hair extensions. So although I want to go a little bit darker so I can match my hair extensions, I don't want to fully lose the blonde that I have right now because this took a lot of effort to try to get. So for that reason, we are going to be using a Demi permanent hair color, which I have never really touched before, so this is going to be interesting. Today, here I have is the Wella Color Touch multi-dimensional Demi permanent color. So this is in the shade 873 light blonde brown gold. So yeah, the 3 is just to show that it's a little bit warm, 8 is the level. So we're kind of sitting around there. Kind of like it to be a little bit darker just so I can match those hair extensions that I have. Basically today I'm going to show you how to dye your hair using this product, and I'm also going to be keeping track of how long this actually is going to stay in my hair. So for this product, this is a 1:2 ratio. So you're going to need 1 part of the hair dye, 2 parts of the developer. Since we are not lifting our hair, we're going to be adding pigment. We're going to be using a 10 volume developer. So here I have all of my hair dye stuff. I'm wearing this just like old kind of sweater thing that I don't wear. All right, so it comes in this little tubey thing here. Kind of looks like toothpaste. I don't know how much I might need for my hair. I don't really want to have to use the whole tube, but I might. To start, I'm gonna do 1 ounce, so then I'll need 2 ounces of developer. So developer, I'm just using a 10 volume developer. This is the ice cream brand that you can get from Shoppers Drug Mart. In my little cup here, I have a measuring guide so I can see where the 2 ounce line is. Ooh, this is orange looking. Okay, interesting. But this is basically what the dye looks like. All right, important thing before you start to actually dye, make sure you're wearing gloves. You don't want to be staining your skin. I have a date later, so I don't really want to be showing up with like really muddy, dirty fingers. I don't know if these are inside out. This is like carrot orange. I'm a little bit concerned. All right, you know, we're just gonna roll with it. My hair turns out orange, so be it.
I got a bad feeling about this.
This looks like the soup I made the other day. Okay. Pray for me. All right. God, I'm scared now. Here we go. We're just gonna go ahead and paint. Yep. Ooh, I'm nervous. I say that every time I dye my hair. So maybe there's nothing to worry about. Just don't turn orange. We already had Halloween. Don't like how orange this is. C'est trop tard. On va le faire. What if this is entirely the wrong color? Oh my god, I'm having doubts now. If my hair turns out ginger, I'll just end up looking like the girl from Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh, got a gloop on my chair. Yeah, I just stained my chair. Okay, I think the bottom part is covered. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unclip this. I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna section down a little bit of hair. Okay. It's orange. Goodbye, my lover.
Goodbye, my friend.
I'm like singing away my blonde hair. I don't know. Am I making a mistake? Golden brown. I feel like, yeah, this is gonna turn out so ginger and it's not gonna be what I want. Hair extensions are ashy. The book had like all the swatches in it at the store. So I looked at the book and I was like, all right, this is what the color should look like. And well, I can't back out now. It's already too late. I have to keep going. Oh my god, this is turning ginger. Why is it turning ginger? Was the swatch supposed to have a 3 beside it? I don't understand. As you can tell, I'm talking a lot because I'm very nervous. I guess this is the part where I tell you, disclaimer, I am not a professional hairstylist whatsoever. We're figuring it out. Oh, it was a big gloop. I'm just gonna stop looking at it. However it turns out, it's gonna be it. Let's just get all of this carrot squash mix into my hair. Nom nom nom. What am I doing? Just keep painting. Just keep painting. Oh my god. hope it's not gonna be so bad that I have to like cancel my date tonight. I tend to actually always dye my hair before a date, and I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so this is what we are looking at right now. This is the result. This is actually 3 washes after I dyed my hair. So it's been about a week since I've dyed it. It was a lot more, I'd say, red before. I did not take a picture freshly after I dyed it, but the closest I can get to show you kind of what it looked like right after is like this still shot from the TikTok that I made. So you can tell in like broad daylight, very ginger, like no question about it. It's still on the warm side, which is kind of what I anticipated when I put in the dye. Honestly, I think it was my bad. I think the one that I was looking in the catalog didn't have a 3 beside it, and the one I picked up had the 3. So that's why we have more of a warmer color going on right now. So the good thing is that it's easy to fix. It doesn't look bad at all. It's just the problem right now is that it doesn't match my hair extensions. These are the hair extensions that I'm trying to match them to. And when you take a look, it's very close to being the same level. The only problem is right now we're dealing with like this warm color versus more of a neutral ash. I've been kind of testing, doing some swatches, trying to like tone. Basically, I've been working on this like concoction with the leftover hair dye that I have to try to tone my hair to make it less red. You can tell here kind of where the difference is. The only problem is that it's a little bit green, question mark, but we are working on that. Yeah, so basically this is what it looks like right now. It's a little bit kind of like a warm chocolate caramel ginger, which is fine. I can totally work with this. If you are looking to have your hair to be this color, then by all means, this is the right hair dye for you. But I have noticed it has been 3 washes since I dyed it, and it is fading significantly. So the whole reason that I picked this specific hair dye was so that I would not be stuck with this dark hair if I didn't like it, so that, you know, after several washes, it would eventually start going back to like more of a blonde, which I can already tell some areas are getting quite light. But yeah, basically I just need to match this, and I think we're very close. We're closer than what we were before, but we're getting there. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Do you find that this hair color actually suits me? Does it work? Should I just keep rinsing it out until this dark ginger comes out? Please remember to like and subscribe, and also my Instagram is v_vogue. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!